Your poor gut health might be affecting your sleep. Yes, let's actually understand why this happens. Now, there can be many reasons or mechanisms why this can be happening, but one of the most studied mechanism is through gut dysbiosis. See, gut dysbiosis basically means growth of harmful bacteria in your gut. And the whole crux of it is that harmful bacteria overgrows in your gut, and this leads to leaky gut. And leaky gut leads to neurotransmitter downregulation in your brain. And neurotransmitter downregulation, especially tryptophan, leads to poor quality sleep. Now, why does harmful bacterial overgrowth in your gut leads to leaky gut? Well, there is a mechanism to that also. See, when harmful bacteria they overgrow in your gut, they secrete toxins called as endotoxins. For example, the most studied endotoxin is lipopolysaccharide. Now, this lipopolysaccharide, being toxic in nature, damages the junctions between your cells called as tight junction. Think of it like the barrier which doesn't allow things to enter from your intestine into your systemic or whole body circulation. Lipopolysaccharide damages this barrier. So now the barrier is damaged. Lipopolysaccharide damages this barrier and enters from your intestine into your whole body systemic circulation. And when it enters the whole body systemic circulation, it reaches your brain. It crosses the blood brain barrier first and it reaches the brain. And when lipopolysaccharide reaches to your brain, it leads to downregulation of tryptophan in your brain. This is well studied. There was a randomized control trial where they injected people with lipopolysaccharide and they found that it led to downregulation of tryptophan. Now remember, tryptophan is very important for melatonin production because tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin and serotonin is a precursor to melatonin. And we all know why melatonin is so important for sleep. If there is some hindrance in the production of melatonin in your brain, it can affect the sleep architecture. Now, the harmful bacteria, one of the interesting things is that the harmful bacteria, they love fat and sugar. And junk food is full of fat and sugar. So this leads to overgrowth of harmful bacteria in your gut. Yet another reason to avoid junk food. And one of the amazing thing is that the good bacteria in your gut loves fiber. So now this video will be another reason why we need to think about avoiding junk food at all cost. I hope it helps.